Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Spotify playing random songs on mobile. Experiencing unexpected tunes while you are jamming to your favorite playlist on Spotify. You are not alone. Many users find themselves puzzled when their carefully curated playlists start playing random songs on their mobile devices. Whether it's shuffle play, mixing up your music order, or Spotify's autoplay feature introducing new tracks, this video will walk you through simple steps to regain control of your listening experience. Let's dive into how to tweak your settings and ensure your Spotify plays exactly what you want. First, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first, I am going to tell you how to turn off shuffle play on Spotify. Spotify's shuffle play can be a great feature for discovering a mix of your favorite tunes and new hits. However, there are times when you want your music to play in the exact order you are arranged without surprises. If you're finding your songs are not playing in their intent sequence, it's a good sign that shuffle play is turned on. Start by opening the now playing screen on the Spotify app. For an icon that looks like two intersecting arrows, this is the shuffle play icon. If this icon is lifted up in green, it means shuffle play is active. To turn it off, simply tap on the shuffle icon. You will notice the icon will dim or gray out and you are done. Next, I am going to tell you how to turning off Spotify autoplays feature. Spotify's autoplay feature is designed to keep the music flowing by automatically playing tracks similar to those you have been listening to once your current playlist ends. While this can be great for discovering new music, it might not always suit your mood, especially if unexpected songs start playing. If you prefer Spotify to stick to your chosen playlist or branching out into new territory, disabling autoplay is the solution to regain control over your Spotify listening experience and prevent the platform from playing songs outside the selected playlist. For this, open the Spotify app and navigate to the home screen. Here, tap on your profile picture located in the top left corner. After tapping your profile picture, select the settings and privacy option to dive into your Spotify settings. Next, tap on the playback section. This is where Spotify gathers all playback related options. Scroll down and find the autoplay similar content option. If the switch next to autoplay is green, it means the feature is active. Tap on the switch to turn off autoplay. A grayed out toggle indicates that the feature has been disabled, ensuring that only your chosen songs play next. By disabling autoplay, you can make sure that Spotify plays only the tracks you have explicitly selected, keeping your listening sessions predictable and tailored to your taste. And if you ever miss the excitement of discovering music automatically, you can easily switch autoplay back on to enjoy a mix of familiar tunes and new discoveries, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix Spotify playing random songs on mobile, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.